Hey, welcome back, and this is an HG Gundam Astray Red frame from the Gundam seed Astray. Alright, so this is customized paint by yours truly, and way back this kit released 2003, and I got this one way back 2018. So there was a time that I got injured and then I have nothing to do, so I decided to get this kit, and it's pretty awesome. It's because even though if it's a high grade scale, you can see the pose. It can also do something with the poses and also the overall build of this kit. Especially guys, the articulation of this kit, it's really nice even though if it's an HG. But I'm not gonna take you too long. We will just gonna check how the paints that I use there on this particular kit right down on the description below. And before anything else, a thumbs up would be much appreciated guys, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well so that you won't miss a thing. Let's start with a simple review. For an HG kit, I highly recommend this one, and especially for the beginners. If you want to build something to start with this kit. It's very nice, you won't regret it, and it's very cheap. Now enjoy the process of how did I paint this one, and enjoy guys. I'll see you at the end. As you can see, I'm using here a Chromaflair pigment. Now, if you missed the tutorial or the video how to use this pigment, you can check the description right down below, or you can check the link right on the top of this video guys. And as always, shout out to this group. Now guys, I'm so thankful that you are there. If you're not there, I would be here also. So thank you so much. Now, I hope you guys are having fun and stay safe out there. Always wear your mask. And thank you so much. Bye for now. Peace out.